Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to withdraw with Chamet. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and open up the Chamet app. Now once you're in here, just go ahead over to your profile or the profile section at the bottom right. Just tap on it. And then once done, go ahead over to your beans. Okay, tap on your beans or my beans. And this section, you should be able to see a withdraw button. But do keep in mind that if you can't see the withdraw button right here, just like mine, okay, well, that means you haven't met the minimum required beans, which is 1,200 beans. Now, if you have 1,200 beans right here, you should be able to see a big withdraw button at the very bottom, okay? So just tap on it. The minimum withdrawal or cash out amount is $10, which is directly converted to 1,200 beans. So just tap on withdraw, and the next page you will have three payout options. Okay, you have Payoneer transfer, bank transfer, or MoneyGram cash pickup. Okay, so just basically select your payout method, enter the amount, and just hit on confirm. Okay, and once you hit on confirm, just wait for a notification that your money has been sent, and that's basically it. That's how you withdraw with Chamet. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.